Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project and creating index, HTML plus styles, CSS, link the style sheet in the head so changes show immediately, add a semantic header or nav element and list links inside an unordered list. This gives structure and accessibility. Once done, give the nav a class-like. Site nav so you can target it. Make sure to include a content wrapper below the nav so you can test scrolling behavior right away. Now you style the navigation, set. Site nav to position, fixed and top, 0 so it stays visible when scrolling. Use width, 100% and a high z-index to overlay content. Define an explicit height, then add equal padding top to the body or main. Content so the fixed bar doesn't hide page content. Apply background color and a subtle box shadow for readability and separation. Once applied, test responsive widths and adjust height or padding for mobile breakpoints. Finish by refining responsiveness and accessibility. Add media queries to reduce height or switch to a hamburger layout on small screens, and ensure focus outlines and keyboard tab order work correctly. Once implemented, check cross-browser behavior and adjust values as needed. If page content is hidden under the bar, increase the body padding top to match the nav height, or use a CSS variable for height so you only change one value. If things still break, inspect computed styles to find conflicting positioning rules.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.